guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April. Super excited to get into it and see what goodies we got this month. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, my card fell off. This is what it looks like inside. Bunch of yummy goodies. The theme for this month is peace, love, and boxy. This is the card. Super cute. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this month's box, and they are all full-size items as well. Let's begin with this right here. This is a Luxie Summer Days brush set. These are super cute. I love Luxie brushes. They're like super soft and they're just amazing. And I love that Boxycharm always puts Luxie brushes in their boxes. Like my favorite all the time. When there's Luxie brushes, I love. So this is how they look. This one is the brush Luxie 512. It's a small contouring brush. It's super cute. I love the color. It's like an ombre. And then we have a flat shader brush. And then we have a larger shader brush. And this one's also way fluffier. I love to use these flat shader brushes to pack on color on my eyelids and also like to cut the crease. These are great for that. This is number 245. And the larger shader brush is number 205. And did I tell you guys? I think I told you guys already, 512 for this one. And this retails for $28. Next thing I'm gonna choose is gonna be this product right here. So this is a Lucious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. When I was putting on my base, I was actually putting on concealer on my eyelids, but then I remember there was a primer in here, so I was like removing it. Let's open it. This is in the shade Nude, and this retails for $14, and it is a full size as well. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing in the box. And I'm gonna use just one of my brushes because I want to save those brushes for the palette that's in here already. I'm actually gonna apply this eye with my finger just to see like what's the difference. So it doesn't look bad. It's not like cakey or anything. It's like a little bit tacky, but not too tacky, you know? So like that's great for eyeshadows. But I am gonna set it just to light it just a teeny bit because I don't like it to be like super tacky. Okay, so the powder definitely looks smoother on top of the primer, and it definitely like gripped it. It's not like just sliding off my eyelids, you know? The next item that I'm gonna go in with is gonna be this Vite palette. Okay, so this is the Pure Festival Pressed Pigment palette. It brings 12 pressed pigments inside the palette, and this retails for $36. This is how it looks. Super cute packaging. Ooh, it brings something in the bag. What could this be? Ooh, another primer. So this is a Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Obviously, I'm not going to use this because I already applied the other primer, and well, our eyes are ready to go. So wow, okay, so this is like a really big mirror. I really like this mirror, and it's like really nice and clear, and so a good mirror. Treat every day like a festival. Oh, that's a cute quote. That's a cute quote. So this is the colors that it brings. I wish it would have brought like blues and greens, and it has a lot of like neutrals and shimmers. I really wish it would have brought like greens and blues and, you know, just like fun colors like a yellow or orange. You know, festivals are always like super fun to experiment with eyeshadows and like, you know, with your makeup and whatnot. I did bring this like really bright pink eyeshadow, Wild Child, which I like. I like the gypsy one. It's this purple one. These glittery ones, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about them. Let's swatch them actually. Ooh, let's swatch them right over the primer. Okay, okay. Oh, that just took off the primer. Swatching that one just basically took off the primer. Look at that. That one is 24K Magic. Let's swatch the fireworks one. So this is the fireworks. Let's swatch that one next. It just feels like glitter. Literally, pressed glitter. Can you see it? They're like really nice. I really like this one, but I just don't know how I feel about it because it's just glitter. The bottom one, I did 2 swatches. This one, I only did 1. You can definitely see how it breaks off towards the end of the swatch. I don't really like it. Which one do you think looks better? Do you think the primer really helped? I think the primer helped. So this is one swatch of the pink. I'm gonna go over it just one more time to intensify it. This is 2 swatches. So definitely intensified the color. The second swatch. Looks good. I like it. This one's gypsy right here. 1 swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and do another swatch to see if we can intensify the color or what. Wow, 2 swatches. Beautiful. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick look on my eyes, and I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette with my Luxie brushes, and I'm just gonna be mixing in some of my regular brushes as well because 2 brushes is not enough for a full look. Okay guys, sorry I had to pause the video, but I decided to edit the eye look out and post it in a different video just because if I post it here, the video is gonna be super long and I don't want that. So check the video out, and now back to the video. Okay, so let's begin. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with my face and my eyes. I'm gonna move on to whatever we have left inside our box. And next thing is gonna be this little tiny box. This is an Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, so a loose highlight. We have gotten one of these before in a box, in a previous Boxycharm, and I love them. They're really nice. So this is the one we got in a previous box. It is the Illuminati one. This one's really good. I love this highlight. And this is the one we got in this month's box. This is called Purple Dream. Let's open it. See how it looks. It's really nice. It's like an iridescent. It has like some iridescence to it, like some glitter. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's really nice. Let's highlight the face. Okay, so when you apply it onto the face, it definitely has more of that iridescent purple tone to it, which I like, but I don't like it for this look specifically. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna use the old one that we got in a previous, like in a really old box. I'm gonna use Illuminati, and I'm just gonna apply this one over top just so the purple doesn't show too much, you know? And this one's like super intense. The last thing in our box is, dun dun dun, it's gonna be this Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. Guessing the brand is by Appeal, and this is a full-size product and it retails for $21. We have been getting a lot of lip glosses lately. Icebox had a lip gloss too, and I'm sorry for the back-to-back Boxycharms. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a nude lipstick. I'm gonna be doing the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie More Creamer Please. And over top of that, I'm gonna be using the holographic lip gloss. Very glossy. I like it, I like it, I like it. So I definitely do like it. I don't know how I feel about the wand, like the applicator, because it's very like stiff, and I feel like it doesn't pick up a lot of product to apply. Like as you guys saw, I had to go in with like multiple times into my tube to apply it to my lips. I really like this lip gloss. It's like really nice and glossy and juicy, and it's not sticky. Like, see, it's not sticking. My lips are not sticking together, so that's something I love about this. So I really do like it. I don't like the packaging a lot because it is see-through. For example, right now I just put it over my lipstick, and obviously it picked up, the wand picked up some of that lipstick I had on, and when I put it back in here, now it just looks like this, and I don't like that. I don't like seeing it all mixed in. And that is it for this month's Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.